Hello from Slovenia again. As I promised in my last video, I will explore that kind of blowout the bloom technique that I use just overtroll, floatroll. I explained the ratios in everything in the video that I will put in the cards and into the description box if you want to check that, and if you want to know everything about that. And I decided that this time I will switch the order of the colors, how I put them down. I have iridescent green, yellow green, iridescent gold, permanent red and blue violet, and white for my cell activator, that it's not, you know, it's not Australian floatroll. Everything is mixed with overtroll, floatroll, my base, everything just in different ratios and a little different consistency. So to create kind of some effects like in blooms. Definitely not the same, but I'm not necessarily going for a bloom because, you know, you need a whole lot products for bloom that I have issues to find here in Slovenia, so we'll just do that. Over this, and I had a lot of air bubbles. I have to think about that too next time, because today I just mix colors and go for it. So yeah, and when I did the pour last time, I said that maybe for the next time I will add more colors. So let's do that. I will add more colors, the amount of colors, because I did get a lot of white parts. I'm always, you know, confused if I want to do this just layer in circles. You have a lot of artists that do those blooms really beautiful. Of course, Shelley, that it's a mother of blooms, and Karen from Waterfall Acrylic, she is amazing. So yeah, I was tempted to do black and white for cell activator, but let's do just white today like we did last time, and maybe next time we can do white and black and see what will happen. Torch this. And I will just try to blow from up high and come closer. I will use that blowing to this one. Know what? I will blow a little more here to come more to that middle side, because there is not a lot of things happening here, so I hope that I will get something like flowerish here in the middle. Let's do that. Maybe that was not the best idea. No, I'm not a fan of this at all. So we can go forward to because I see some color kind of breaking here in the middle, because I probably just stretch it a little too much, because my cell activator has 4 parts Sovatrol, Floetrol and 1 part paint. And I will go with white and black cell activator. Let's do that. And I will not add any more white here. I will just go with the purple. And red, violet. And gold. I'm adding kind of a lot of color, you know. I just don't know if I want this green all the way around or just here. Let's do it just here. And white, CA, and black CA. I will just blow a little bit before I will go with the hair dryer. I'll just stop right here for this part. Like the black. I will just use a straw a little bit here in the middle. Okie doke. I will do what Jessica from Winterstrom Art do. She tends to do that just to help paint to stretch more evenly when you spin it out. I don't know. I definitely got more gold showing up this time. Oh, let's torch this. I will just put my canvas a little more to this side because I want this to stretch more. I'm happy with this. I want to keep that. But I think that I need to add a little more color here, so I will just scrape some paint from the table and put it here to help this paint to flow easier here, because there is not a lot of paint here. So let's do that. Wow, I like that part a lot. Not fan of this, so maybe I can blow this a little bit before I will spin more. Whoop. Now better. Don't want to go crazy because I really don't want to lose this. And I don't want to tilt because I will deform the cells, I believe. And I think I'm done. I really like that, I have to say. Checking the sides. They are covered. I like that one. Not sure if the the green on top was the best idea, but we will see how it will dry. So here she is, dry. I don't know. Some really strange colors came out. I'm not sure about this green. Here I will show you the first one in a second. Yeah, really cute cells, but this color, just think that it doesn't belong here. Ooh, sorry guys. Just want to pick this up to show you. There is definitely not a lot of green because the green was on top of the purples. I did, had some problems with the the middle. Sorry, I just lost my thought. So yeah, probably I will not go on with this green color. I will try to add something else, maybe some blue instead, and see what will happen. So yeah, this is this one. I will just bring the other one here. See, this one is dry too now. You definitely can see this green, Papaya yellow green here. Yeah, it does shift from green to gold. But you still can see because it was the first color on the bottom. So definitely very different result. I didn't, this is not the right orientation, so I don't know. Just trying to show the difference, you know, with more color in the puddle and less, so definitely way different. But the lacing is there, so I like that. Just the colors are not right, so I have to figure out what I want to do with the colors. So but I wanted to do this combination because if you don't try, you don't know, you know that. So yeah, this is it for today. If you are interested how this will go further with these experiments, come back on Wednesday, or I don't know. So yeah, this is it for today. Thanks for being here, and see you again on the next one. Bye!